We just arrived here in Kyoto. So we just disembarked from the Shinkansen from Tokyo.
Shin Osaka is now departing. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Welcome to Kyoto. Kyoto is the next big city, no, before reaching Osaka. Ang major big cities kasi ng Japan, Tokyo at Osaka. But before Osaka, you have Kyoto, you know, very historical na site. Hello, Fox.
Hi.
Ito muna kami. Finding our way. Yan, palis na siya. Going Osaka. Ito yung sinakyan namin. Bilis, sabay. Almost sabay, oh. Stop ko isa. This one is stopping. These are JR lines.
The train at track number 13 is Nozomi 7194 Hiroshima. The next stop is Shin Osaka.
Hello, where are we going?
West.
Sa bus makakita tayo.
Hindi nga pwede bus pala.
So?
We're trying to find another option. Kasi it says online, in Kyoto specifically, they strongly discourage bringing luggage.
Ano?
They strongly discourage bringing luggage
Sa bus?
sa bus.
So ano, magkuhan tayo?
Hanap tayo. May recommendation dito na train tayo sa somewhere near. Dito tayo mag-taxi.
Okay, sige. Better.
野波71号広島行き発車します。ドライブパーティー。
Lipat tayo sa train.
Nara's trying to try the other taxi.
バスのドアに固まらず前の方に水道してください。隣のスピーカー乗車口からお乗車お願いします。Please use the next door.
I've never been able to sign up for that.
Door closing.
Pero may ano ba dun sa amin? May van? Baka dalang alam ka lang kung ano.
ドア閉まります。ドアが closing. あとよし。
Baka yung hotel na yun, may kwan talaga siya. Hindi siya accessible.
Hindi naman. Okay naman siya.
So we can go sa nearest na kwan, then doon tayo mag-taxi siguro.
Yup.
Okay. Finding our way. Dikit ko ha, dikit.
It's not an-
Oops, dikit. Para hindi mahulog.
number. Kaya nga, it's Philippine number. Anyway. Ano lang? Uber na lang? Hindi, yung from mag-train tayo somewhere near the Manila River. Okay.
The nearest. Anong place ba yan? Baka remote. Bundok ba siya? Anong...
Hindi naman.
Ako hindi ko remote available ng mga taxi ka. Okay. Sikat na tong store na Plasta nila, no? Mga hindi tayo nakabili ng Kanyan Cares ba? Next time bili tayo ng bento diyan. Sa Plasta ba?
Convenience store mo lang yan.
Ha?
Parang convenience
But their expertise mga
Basta na
bento.
yung cards niya.
Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Ready your cards daw.
Okay?